The rain is falling down again. It sounds the same as when you held my hand. This little cafe remembers you, but the chair beside me is empty too. Every drop whispers your name, and I can't tell if it's the rain or my pain. The rain still falls here, just like before, but you're not the one I'm waiting for. The window fogs, my heart recalls every moment we once had, now gone with it all. The rain still falls, but you're not here anymore. I trace your name on misted glass. The letters fade like time that's past. The city lights, they blur and weird, just like my eyes when I can't sleep. I tell myself I'll be fine someday, but the rain, it always makes me stay. The rain still falls here, softly and slow. It sings the song of letting go. The echo of us still fills these walls, but I'm learning how to stand when I fall. The rain still falls, reminding me of all I've built my peace from broken days. I've learned to smile through the haze, but when the thunder calls your name, my heart forgets we're not the same. The rain still falls here, but I've changed too. No longer yours, but still missing you. If love must fade, then let it fall with the rain that knows it all. The rain still falls, but I'll be okay after all. The rain still falls, but this time